This week in Korean. 월요일, 월요일, Monday. 화요일, 화요일, Tuesday. 수요일, 수요일, Wednesday. 목요일, 목요일, Thursday. 금요일, 금요일, Friday. 토요일, 토요일, Saturday. 일요일, 일요일, Sunday. Now, how to make it memorize fast and easily? All I have to do is focus the left side words, the left first words, which is war, which is wa, which is su, mug, kum, to, il. War, wa, su, mug, kum, to, il. Tapos, mating na po yung UL sa last. Uyuil, wayuil, suyuil, mugyuil, kumyuil, tuyuil, iriuil. Diba? Sa last may UL. So, focus lang kayo dito sa muna sa left side words. Tapos kunik yung UL, matik yan. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, follow, and share kung nagustuhan niyo ang video. Thank you po. Jalso. God bless po sa inyo lahat. Fighting!